All right, coming down the home stretch, the third phase of film production is post-production. So at this point, you've put all your pieces together, you got your proposal approved, you wrote your screenplay, you did your storyboard, you had your production meeting, you gathered all of your resources together, and then you filmed everything. Now, post-production is basically just editing. Everything that takes you from the end of filming to your finished product. So for the editing process, you can have as many people in your group edit as you want, but only one person editing at a time. So you're going to open up Final Cut Pro and then plug in the iPad into the computer using the USB port. When you're uploading, make sure that you have made a separate project for your film. You can either put the names of the members of your group, or if your film has a title, go ahead and make the title of the project the same as the title of the film. So in Final Cut Pro, you will have all of your shots uploaded, and you can use the program to move them around and put them in the order that you want. Make sure you are also cropping the shots. Cut off the beginning where maybe your filmmaker says action. Make sure you cut off the end at the end of the scene so it doesn't have an awkward pause at the end of the shot. Remember, the point of editing is to help you tell us the story, not to show off how many cool transitions or effects you can put in. Sometimes too much will lower your grade, and sometimes a little bit goes a lot farther than you think. When it's time to wrap up your film, you can select scrolling credits at the end. Fill in the appropriate credits for your actors and your crew, and finish out. A lot of people like to do bloopers, but please don't feel like you have to. They don't affect your grade, and they don't make the film any better, in Mr. Lashua's opinion. Once you have finished editing your film, grab a grading rubric. These are on the yellow desk by the front of class. Each rubric is broken down into sections, and your group will grade your film based on each category. After you've graded it together as a group, go ahead and make an appointment with me, and I will watch it with you and grade it also. We'll compare notes and talk about the grades we give the film, and once we agree on those grades, your film is done. You export it to the desktop and then share it with me on Google Drive. After you're finished, make sure everyone in your group turns in a completed project checklist and a reflection sheet. Once you've done that, you are done with this film, and we're going to watch all of them together as a class after I upload them to YouTube. Good job.